Alright guys, they're back with you, top of the line training. As you can see, we got a fire going and looking good. I'm gonna get a little bit more wood for it, and then I'm gonna set some things up to make some char cloth. So stay with me. Alright guys, out here, top of the line training. Got a good fire going here, keeping warm. It's a little chilly out. It's low 30s. A little windy as well, but I don't have much clothes on. Nice heavy sweater. These are the lightweight rail riders, and I got the Kuyu briefs on, which come down to almost your knees, almost like a pair of shorts. So anyway, what we're going to do today is going to go ahead and turn this into a new char tin. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and char some char cloth, or make some char cloth. Not char some char cloth, I'm going to make some char cloth by charring this. It's actually probably too much in here. I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this out because sometimes it stacks up and it doesn't work out too well. So I've got about 8 pieces, 10 pieces in here. Basically what these are cotton, 100% cotton gun patches. They work really good for charring. So you can char anything, pith from plants, some wood as well, whatnot. The reason why I got this char tin here is this 12-ounce tin. It's got a twist on lid, so it's going to be secure in there. It's going to be not only that, but what I'm saying is like later when after I char this, I'll be putting in here some flint and steel, an extra ferro rod, things like that, and a bunch of charred material, and this will lock it down, keep it in here, keep it secure, nice. One thing we have to do is poke a little hole in top of the tin. Alright guys, they're back with the top of line training. So like I said, we have a secure tin here, got some char cloth in. I poked a hole in it, made the damn thing too big, jacked it up, but went ahead and pounded it on the other side, so we'll see how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the fire. So what I'll do is put it in the fire there, let it set. It'll char up probably about 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. We'll pull it out of there. All right, guys, they're back with you, top of the line training. As you can see, we got the fire rolling. What I'm gonna do, got the char tin in there. I'm gonna go ahead and dig it out. Now that smoke. Got the char tin right here. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and drag that out away from the fire and let it cool down. Alright guys, that's back with the top of the line training. Got the char tin here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And you can see, got a nice char in there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a ferro rod, see what we get. It's starting to snow pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it down in here. I don't want to hit it all. So, that right there, can you see that? Yeah. This is the Pathfinder Knife Shop Buffalo Skinner. You can see that's real good char here. See if you can see that. Whoa, whoa, Colonel, whoa. Get back here, Char. As you can see, that burning there. And to put it out, oh, come back here, Char. All that blowing around, still going strong. But what you do is you put it in your can, put the lid back on it, starve it of oxygen, and it'll go out. All right, guys, this is Ed, top of the line training. Went ahead and made a new char tin, and at the same time made some char. So yeah, this was making char cloth, a new char tin. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share, pass it along. I'm looking into changing my channel name, so that's coming later. And let me get this camera set back before it gets all wet. Until the next one, guys, we'll see you then. God bless, take care. Ed, top of the line training.